Hello everyone, welcome to my second Arduino tutorial, serial communication. So in our first exercise, we are going to control the LED by computer keyboard. Okay, here is my wiring diagram, same as it is the previous one. So let's do our programming section. Here's my software. Now I have connected my LED to pin number 7. Okay, now let's start. Void setup. I'm going to declare this pin as output pin. Pin mode LED output. So to enable the serial communication, we're gonna write serial.begin 9600, where 9600 is your baud rate. Okay, sorry, baud rate, and it allows the communication between your computer and Arduino board. Okay, let's go for a loop section. So here we write if serial dot level. Here it will wait for the user's entry. Wait for the user's entry. Okay. Now we have to read the user's entry, means character entered by the user. So we are able to declare the ch character. Sorry. Ch equals to serial dot read to read the character entered by user. Now we feed this character to our switch statement. Okay. Now I'm considering two cases. Case A to turn on the LED and case B to turn off the LED. So I'll write case A, digital write LED high. Okay. Similarly, I'll display a message serial not print align LED is turned on. Let's put this break. Now second case, we are gonna write B. We're gonna make case B, and in this case we're gonna turn off the LED. So I'll write turn off. Okay. And in any case, if you suppose user enters the wrong input, then it will automatically take the default case. So I want to turn off my LED. Sorry, low, and also display a warning message. Invalid entry by user. Okay. Now I'll turn off all the bases. Now upload a code in your Arduino board. Here code is uploading. Now open the serial monitor from here. Okay. Dialog box will appear. Now if you enter A, you'll see that LED is turned on. The message LED is turned on. Okay. Now if you enter B character, you'll see the LEDs got turned off, and also a message LED is off. Suppose if I enter the wrong input, let's say R, then what will happen? LED remains off and also display a message invalid entry by the user. Okay, So that's all about the serial communication. Now let's do our second exercise to read analog signals.